Hello, everyone, and today I want to wish you all a happy Pi Day. I'm going to present myself really quickly. My name is Jacques Katumba, and I am an 11th grader at French International High School. And because it's Pi Day, I'm very excited that it's Pi Day. I have decided to make a video about math to to hopefully make it easier for you guys and make sure you guys enjoy math and physics as much as I do. So in order to do that, I I have a little test I got on physics on the famous Einstein equation, energy equals mass times speed of light squared. And I've chosen this one specifically because we have so many manipulations with it. So this is the test, and it's in French. As I said, I go to a French school, but yeah, this is the test. And in this test, we had to do formula manipulation. We had to do unit transfers and so many interesting mathematical things that are not too hard, but it's the fundamentals of math. And I feel like if I can make it clearer for some people, it could really mean the world to me. So, why did I choose the equation E? Excuse me, guys. E is equal to mc squared. First of all, let's start by defining the terms. So E is energy, M is mass, and C is the speed of light. And this is just an exponent. So here are the different things in our equation. So I picked this because like I said, we can do so many manipulations. So if I wanted to get the mass out of this formula, how would I proceed? I want to show you guys this because I feel like a majority of my friends memorize every formula in the hopes to get a good grade. Personally, I don't like doing that, and I like deriving formulas from a formula that was given to me. So if I wanted to get the mass from this formula, how would I proceed? So our formula, excuse me guys. So our formula is E equals mc squared. E equals mc squared. So if I want to get this mass, what do I do? Let's just put the formula here. E mc squared. So in order to do that, I have to bring this C over here and isolate the M. And to do that, I simply divide energy by C squared. And I do that on both sides of the equation. And this simply cancels out. Why does it do that? Imagine you have 2 times 2, 2 times 2, it's equal to 4. And if I divide 4 times 2, I get 2. But let's look at it this way. We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So instead of writing this 4, I can simply write 2 times 2 divided by 2. And these 2's cancel out. And that is why I have 2. This right here is what I'm doing here. And that is why I can get M. So the formula of M is E over C squared. So that's how I can derive a formula. But I also picked this specific equation because we have substitution. Let's see what I'm talking about. In this work, we saw that mass is equal to E over C squared. But here, we can see that mass is equal to power times time. What does that mean? It means that time times power is equal to E. And we just substituted E for power and time. Let me show you guys. It was given to us here. So E is equal to power, average power, times time. So what we can do is write power times time over C squared is equal to mass. But this doesn't mean that this is wrong. It doesn't mean that this is wrong. This is still correct. And this is correct as well. Now, to make it correct, I need to write equal to mass. But it's just to show you guys that this is equal to this. And you can replace the formulas. So we could also write P times time is equal to mass times speed of light squared. So if I wanted to obtain time, what would I do? Like I said, we just have to divide by P on both sides, and P cancels out. When P cancels out, we have time is equal to mass times C squared over P. Math is so beautiful and it's fun when you get the hang of it. If you guys like videos like this, don't hesitate to ask, and I would be more than happy to help and share my knowledge. That is so small, but I just want to share it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and love math. Have a nice day.